Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Sons of the Forest lag and FPS drops. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here, and first you will need to make sure to install all the updates you can find in Windows Update Settings, and after that close it, click here, and then go to View Advanced System Settings, and then adjust for best performance. Click apply and OK. You can make it for best appearance whenever you want. Now just make it for best performance and then just click apply and then close it. After that click here, then go to GeForce Experience. If you can't find it, just download it from any browser and then go to drivers, check for updates, make sure to install the latest update that you can find, and then go to settings, scroll down until you find image scaling. Enable this option, and after that your problem must be fixed, and if that doesn't fix it, just restart your computer and then close all the applications that you don't need. Close it from task manager, keep scrolling down and close all the applications that you know what they do and that you don't need them when playing. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and see you in the next video.